At RDD Enterprises, we set a standard of excellence and efficiency for our team that makes RDD a premier manufacturer in the composite aircraft industry. Our signature product, the LX7, is a complete redesign and conversion of the well-known Lancer 4P. We have committed to producing every component and assembly in-house, using lean manufacturing techniques and practices to create a streamlined, efficient, and cost-effective process. We use CNC technology to create carbon fiber parts, paint masks, and upholstery parts. Advanced tooling makes jobs repeatable and allows us to maintain tolerances on outside surfaces to within 30,000ths of an inch. Inventory of parts is controlled on an as-needed basis, utilizing a visual system of control throughout the company. The systems further increase efficiency by reducing the need for material storage. Avionics harnesses and instrument panels are assembled by our technicians with the same lean techniques to ensure repeatability and the utmost quality. The focus of all we are doing at RDD is designed to meet the stringent requirements of our very valuable customers. As a team, RDD Enterprises is striving to produce the best product at the most competitive price in the marketplace.